Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Alt-Tab if your screen turns black or got some delays when playing games. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you want to find the specific game's shortcut. Okay, for example, we have here a PUBG. Go ahead and look it up on your search bar and type down PUBG and click on Open File Location. Now right-click on it again and just click on Open File Location. If you can't find it, well, that's how Steam works. Okay, if you have the game on Steam, just open up Steam, go ahead over to your library, PUBG right here or whatever game, go to Properties. Now install files, browse. Okay, TSL game, binaries, Win64, here we have it. Now just right-click on the game's exe. Click on Properties. Now go to Compatibility right here and make sure that you disable full screen optimizations. Okay. Again, tick on this option, click on Apply, click on OK, close this one, run the game and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, let me just go ahead and open up the game right here and show you some settings. Okay. So again, go ahead and open up your specific game and then just go ahead over to Settings and then Video. Okay. In my case, it's under Basic and Display Settings. Now, as you can see here, I'm using borderless. Okay, you must enable this option if you're always tabbing out. All right, as this one tricks Windows into treating the game like a standard desktop window, allowing instant Alt-Tab transitions. Now, if you still have the problem, okay, which in most cases, this one already fixes the problem, okay. If you still have the problem, so what you'll do is just match the game's resolution to your Windows resolution. Say, for example, I have it set here under my game 2560 by 1440. Now, my monitor can handle this one, 3440 by 1440. Now, why do I select 2560 by 1440? So I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to right-click on a blank space. I'm going to right-click on a blank space right here on my desktop and then click on Display Settings. In here, we're going to want to scroll down and find Display Resolution. Okay, so click on this drop down and again, as you can see here, 2560 by 1440 is selected as well. So if I want to play to 3440 by 4040, the game should run the same exact resolution. All right. I hope that makes sense. Also, do not forget about the, gotta scroll down, advanced display. If you still have the problem, let's say you have a refresh rate of 180 right here, make sure that your game is set to 180 as well. All right. Or just set it to unlimited. Okay. Do not cap it. Again, the same or unlimited. That's basically it. Now, if all else fails, again, just go to your search bar and type down graphics, click on graphic settings, and then in here, just click on advanced graphic settings. Okay. And make sure, by the way, optimizations for Windows games right here is enabled. Okay. Now, if you have hardware accelerated GPU scheduling turned on, turn this thing off. Okay. Once that's done, it will ask you to restart your computer. So go ahead and restart your computer, try to play a game, Alt-Tab, and it should be good to go. That's how easy it is to fix Alt-Tab if it's turned on black or giving you delays when you try to tab out of games. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.